Welcome to Astrotech Lab. Let's update with natural gemstones.
Which career is best for me? Ask Astrologer dr.Rokde.
Yes, he is one of the best.
गम गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वशमानय स्वाहा.
Types of gemstones. Different stones are categorized into different species, varieties and groups based on their composition, market value, purpose and cutting style. Here you can find a simplified categorization of different types of gemstones which are available on our website astrotechla.com. To the most common gemstones. List of gemstones by species. This list of gemstones is organized on the basis of their composition. Minerals. These are the beautiful inorganic crystals which are cut and polished to form different kinds of gems. They are identified by their chemical compositions, unique color, luster, hardness and the distinct marks and streaks, inclusions present inside them. E.g. sapphire, emerald, the fossilized living organism or organic substance produced by a living body. Pearl, red coral, amber and white coral are the most widely known organic gemstones. Rocks. Certain rare and beautiful rocks are also considered gemstones, though they are not minerals. These rocks are carefully cut and polished to form faceted gems and cabochons for healing, for making jewelry or for collection purposes. E.g. obsidian, bloodstone. Though. List of gemstones by value. Precious. Gemstones which highly valued for their immense rarity and high-end beauty are known as precious stones. Amongst different gems, there are only 4 precious stones: ruby, sapphire, emerald or diamond. Learn more about these precious gemstones, their quality, meanings and price here. Semi-precious. All other types of gemstones are considered semi-precious. Calling these gemstones semi-precious doesn't mean that they are cheap gemstones. It is because these gemstones are relatively more abundant in nature. Read our notes on semi-precious stones to learn more about them. List of gemstones by purpose. Since antiquity, gemstones have served mankind in different ways. For some, a gemstone is an expression of love, while for others it's a savior to cope up with the troublesome situations of life. Many people find gemstones as an attractive form of investment. Here, we have differentiated various types of stones and gems based on their use or purpose. Astrological gemstones. Gemstones hold a great significance in the Indian astrology and are a gemstone which can be worn to harness the energies of the particular celestial body, like ruby represents planet Sun. Healing gemstones. Many gemstones and crystals are said to have the ability to heal the wearer's body, mind and soul. It is believed that these stones and crystals offer powerful healing benefits when placed on the right chakra. E.g. spinal, moldavite. Jewelry gemstones. These are the fancy colored gems which are primarily used for the beautification of ornaments. Though all types of gems can be used for ornamentation purpose, jewelry gemstones are those common gems which are exclusively used for jewelry making. E.g. morganite, kunzite, tsavorite. Collection gemstone. Many times, consumers, gem enthusiasts or collectors raise their request for rare and unusual gems. Our gemologists pay special attention to such demands and never mind in tapping the world's difficult terrains to select an impressive inventory of rare and unique gemstones for collection purposes, like the no oil emerald, Kashmir blue sapphires, pigeon blood Burmese rubies, etc. List of gemstone based on cut. Faceted gemstones. It refers to all types of gems which have facets or cuts on their surface in order to enhance their overall brilliance and luster. The gemstones with good transparent and superior clarity are often cut to form faceted gems. Cabochon gemstones. A cabochon, often addressed as a cab, is a gem with a well-shaped and polished convex, round or oval, top with a flat or slightly domed base. Opaque or semi-translucent gemstones are often shaped as cabochons. Calibrated gemstones. These are the types of gemstones which are cut to a standard size to suit the requirement of the commercial jewelry industry. I hope this information updates you. See you in next session. Subscribe us.